Thank you. God bless you. Take good care of the car.
His car should not exist here. What you're looking at is not scrap, not junk, not an old broken car. This is a Bugatti Type 57 SC, a machine so rare that most people only see it in books. Today, this car is worth millions of dollars, but I bought it for just $1,000. Sounds impossible, right? I thought so too. When I first saw it, it was silent, rusted, forgotten by time. The engine hadn't moved for decades. The body was falling apart. People laughed at me. They said, "You can't restore a legend." But legends don't disappear. They wait. Every scratch on this car tells a story. Every dent carries history. This Bugatti once ruled the roads. It was built in the 1930s when speed was dangerous and beauty was handmade. Buying this car wasn't smart. It wasn't safe. It was a risk. Because restoring this Bugatti means fighting time itself. No shortcuts, no fake parts, just patience, passion, and respect for history. In this garage, something impossible is about to happen. A car that the world gave up on is about to breathe again. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you won't just see a restoration, you'll witness a resurrection.
The engine is finished. It has been painted in a deep, glossy engine enamel black, contrasting block sanding is the secret to a straight car. The mechanic uses a long sanding block with coarse sandpaper.